Assistance dog task aiding and emptying the washing machine or tumble dryer. Part 2.
You ready? Oh, good job. You done your own. Well done.
Once we have built confidence with the clothing items, it is important to raise criteria and encourage them to use their mouth to pick the item up.
Yes, good job.
Mark
Well
and
done.
reward for any interaction with their mouth.
You take it.
Some
Good
dogs
boy.
may need you to hold the item for confidence and encouragement. Some dogs may be able to pick up the item from the floor.
Take it. Very good. Thank you.
At this point, it doesn't matter, as your dog isn't a robot and they need time to reliably learn a new behavior. Assistance dogs and service dogs take a lot of time to train for reliability.
Good job.
This can range between a year or 3.
Good. Very good. You're so clever.
Too many people get down about the duration or how long it takes to train their dog.
Take it. Take it.
But it's better to have a reliably trained dog and a relationship fully built with an unbreakable bond through your training journey.
You're so good boy. You're so clever. You're so clever.
Assistance and service dogs aren't all about public access.
Oh, these treats are...
They have to be able to reliably task various behaviors.
You did so good. You did so good, yeah. Oh, thank you. Give me some tea up then.